There's something big happening in India's skies, and it's not just another military drill. India has just issued a series of NOTAMs that's notice to airmen across the entire northeast. From Arunachal to Assam, from Sikkim to Tripura, the Indian Air Force is taking over the skies. The reason? A large-scale exercise, a show of strength, preparedness and precision, right along some of India's most sensitive borders. Let's decode what's actually happening. This is the Worldview through Bharat's lens with Vanya, your weekly show for your geopolitical dosage. Between November and January, the IAF will conduct multiple rounds of combat training and air defense exercises. The dates: November 6, November 20, December 4, December 18 and January 1 and 15. Now if you notice that timeline, it's not random. It's continuous readiness. Every 2 weeks, the skies over India's northeast will clear of civilian flights because the Air Force will be in full action mode. We're talking about coordinated sorties, live fire drills, refueling operations and logistic missions all across forward bases like Tezpur, Chabua and Hasimara. So what's a NOTAM and why is it such a big deal? Think of it as a no-fly notice. When a NOTAM is issued, civilian flights are grounded or rerouted so military aircraft, drones and missiles can operate safely. It's not just a bureaucratic notice, it's a signal. A NOTAM means we are preparing, we are training, so stay clear. India has done this before during tense moments with Pakistan or before missile tests in the Bay of Bengal. But this time, it's happening across the entire northeast, bordering China, Bhutan, Myanmar and Bangladesh. And that's what makes this move so significant. Because the northeast isn't just another region, it's one of India's most strategic theatres. It shares a boundary with 4 countries including China, which has been expanding its infrastructure across Tibet, building new airstrips, missile bases and roads along the line of actual control. Remember Galwan 2020? That was a wake-up call, and India has been recalibrating its defense posture ever since. So these IAF drills are not just training, they're testing readiness. They're checking how fast we can deploy aircraft from forward bases, how efficiently refueling can happen in high-altitude zones, and how seamlessly the Air Force coordinates with army and intelligence units on the ground. But here's where it gets even more interesting. While one set of exercises happen in the east, India's western front is heating up too. Yes, India has launched exercise Trishul, a 12-day tri-service war game along with Pakistan border. Tri-service meaning the Army, Navy and Air Force all operating together. The focus area, Gujarat and Rajasthan, especially the Kutch region, a zone that's gaining strategic importance. During exercise Trishul, the Indian military is simulating offensive strike scenarios, testing joint maneuvers with special forces, armored units and missile-capable warships. The Rafales and Su-30 MKIs are part of the show too, providing air support for ground operations. Now let's connect the dots. In the east, the IAF dominates the skies over the Himalayas. In the west, all 3 services train together along the Pakistan border. This is not coincidence, this is a strategy. For years, India has faced possibility of a 2-front challenge from China and Pakistan simultaneously. And these drills, conducted at the same time, show something crucial: India's growing dual-front preparedness. It's about operational agility, how quickly we can shift focus between 2 borders. It's about resource management, testing logistics and coordination across distant bases. And above all, it's about strategic deterrence, sending a message that India can handle high-tempo, multi-domain warfare if the need arises. Let's look at the broader regional picture for a second. While India is testing the readiness, China continues to expand airfields in Tibet and deploys new radar systems. Pakistan, on the other hand, has been ramping up drone surveillance near the Rajasthan border. And interestingly, India and the US recently conducted joint air drills under the COPE India series, deepening strategic cooperation. Put that all together and what do you get? A region where everyone is watching everyone else. A geopolitical chessboard with every move signaling power, deterrence and intent. By issuing NOTAMs in the northeast and launching Trishul in the west, India is sending out a very clear message. We are ready on both fronts. This is not about provocation, it is about preparation, about peace through a strength. The ability to deter conflict by demonstrating capability, that's what modern defense signaling is all about. And let's be clear, these are not isolated drills. They are part of India's large modernization push with new radar networks, better surveillance, advanced air defense systems and forward-deployed fighter squadrons. So while the skies over the northeast might seem quite civilian eyes, they're actually alive with the roar of engines, the precision of drills and the discipline of defense. The message is simple but firm. India is not waiting for threats to arise. India is preparing beforehand. Because in geopolitics, as in life, readiness is power and deterrence is peace. This is the worldview through Bharat's lens with Vanya, decoding power, politics, perception and everything in between.